Today I'm going to talk about healing. I wrote a book about it, and I suggested everybody at least read it 5 times. And it is 800 pages. So don't be discouraged. But if you read that book, you will save your health. It's a book that is prepared for 70 years, working very hard, doing lots of researches in monasteries, in libraries, and with my experience and with my relationship with some people, I think that it will help you tremendously. So take that book and read it. Because if you read that book, you will understand better what I'm talking here. Now, most of the time, physical health is emphasized. People say that health is related to your physical body. That's not true. Health is related to our emotions, to our mind, to our etheric body, even our spiritual directions and aspirations. And if you consider emotional and mental and spiritual nature, you can see where are hidden the causes of our ailments. For example, we talk about physical health. This is physical body. But we have beyond it emotional body. Then we have mental nature. Then of course we have spiritual realms. Spiritual realms. Now all these affect our physical body. Of course around the physical body we have etheric body. Etheric body. If anything goes wrong in etheric body, physical body suffers. If you pump any kind of vitamins and different methods to make physical body really healthy, happy, but if you are sick emotionally, your physical body will be affected. If emotionally and physically you are healthy, but if your mental body is not healthy, and there are lots of germs of sickness in the mental body, your physical body will be affected. And if you don't have spiritual aspirations, spiritual striving, these 3 bodies will suffer because of malnourishment. See, people think that nourishment comes from outer factors. It's true that we eat lots of food, vitamins and vegetables and different things. Of course, these things prepare the chemicals here in the physical body. But these chemicals are only assimilated when the spiritual energy mixes with the chemicals and made you to assimilate. Because if you are living only in physically, you can have some health. But these physical elements that you are taking from the materials are going to nourish your emotional body, nourish your mental body. And this nourishment is assimilated by this body and by this body when etheric body is charged by spiritual energies. Spiritual energies make all elements be digested. And that's true also for your emotions and mind. There are lots of things that we must digest emotionally. And there are lots of things that we must digest mentally. For example, if you have lots of visions, lots of ideas, opinions, thought forms, and knowledge, you cannot assimilate them if you are not spiritually charged. Because that spiritual energy makes your knowledge be assimilated. For example, two people read a book. One of them assimilates. The other one cannot assimilate it. The reason is that one is reading through the mind and mental energy. The other is reading through the spiritual fire. Because fire makes that ideas, thoughts, impressions be digested and assimilated in physical, emotional, mental bodies.